Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe this video, and we're gonna drive a boat today by myself.
Alright,
And you'll see how good I am.
let's go.
I'm gonna go see. Make it go faster, and this is for these two don't these one don't work for me, and these two are for the light. This one is for the front, and this one is for the back, and this is the horn. And this is to make this turn on.
And thank you for watching.
And thanks for watching.
Make sure you like it,
Make sure you like it,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and see you later.
and see you later.